What's up everybody, my name is Derek. I'm with Shine Owl Detailing. I got a care package from Detail Division. It's the Carbon Collective Limited Edition box. Let's unbox it, let's see what's inside, let's see if it's amazing. So let's see what's inside. And with every order, you get a handwritten note by Scott. These are amazing. And inside we have the Carbon Collective Limited Edition box. This is amazing. If you don't know what this is, there's a select variety of products in here, handpicked by Carbon, and it's all gonna smell amazing. The soap, the detail spray. Let's check inside. So now that we've got the box open, here is the Carbon Collective Limited Edition box. Perfect weight. So we're just gonna cut it open. Custom sticker right there, Carbon Collective. So this is what you get when you open up the box. So inside the box right here, we have the Lux 600 GSM Carbon Collective Microfiber. This one seems to be an ultra plush option. As you can see, super fluffy, high quality, with a Carbon Collective teal color. That's amazing. Next we have the Carbon Collective Luxor shampoo. Has a gold glitter inside of it, as you can see. Incredible packaging. The gold flake looks amazing. Next we have the Carbon Collective Pearl detailing spray. Look at that. Silver accents. Comes with a thick head trigger. As we go inside, this just looks like tissue paper. Then we have the Carbon Collective Signature Air Freshener. This one is in the limited edition scent. If you haven't had one of these in your car, they smell amazing too. I don't know what this smells like. Sweet little Carbon Collective keychain there. Wow, even a Carbon Collective golden ticket. Discount codes in the back. But yeah, that's awesome. And the final product is the Carbon Collective Supreme Wash Mitt. Looks like it's ultra soft. It's a 16 by 28 centimeters. Even has the emblem right there on the handle itself, the cuff. So we'll open it up. And as you can see up close, this one is ultra plush, ultra soft. I have smaller hands, so put it in. And in the middle of this area right here, you can have a split seam that's sewn together so your fingers can maneuver around the car, but that is incredible. Super soft wash mitt. It's probably gonna go great with the Luxor shampoo. And then for your final wipe, we're probably going to use the Lux towel with the Pearl detailing spray. So that is the Carbon Collective limited edition box. It comes with all of this. You get your towel, your wash mitt, air freshener, detail spray, and even the shampoo. So let's go over the scents. Now that we've gone through the box and we've talked about what's inside of it, we're going to talk about Luxor, we're going to talk about Pearl. These two products are known to have an incredible, almost cologne scent, for what I've been told. Childproof. Now this isn't Axe body spray. This is an Old Spice, but this smell is, it's very woodsy. It's not Bath & Body Works. Man, this smells amazing. This is the Pearl Detail Spray. It's going to be incredible to work with when you're cleaning the car. When you're done wiping it off, you're going to smell that fresh aroma from Pearl itself. Luxor, this is a shampoo with gold glitter inside of it. This is supposed to have a great scent too, so let's smell this. This one, it's a much sweeter scent, and the consistency is more liquidy than actual soapiness. It's a thinner consistency than dish soap, let's say that. But it's a sweet smell. This is going to be incredible for using with any of your wash buckets, any of your washing your cars. I'm a full rinseless person, so I don't see myself using this anytime soon, but I could probably incorporate it in the wash bucket for wheels and tires. If your wheels are coated, you don't need if your wheels are coated, you don't need a harmful and strong chemical to clean them. You can use a shampoo like this. And this one says, fill 2 buckets with warm water, 5 pumps into one of the buckets. That's not that much. And so the value is crazy here, smells amazing. And I'm excited to use both. Pearl is gonna probably be possibly my new favorite detailing spray. I use Carbon Collective Rapide. Their spray smells incredible. And this one may just top it off. So I'll let you know how it is. I need to smell this again. This smells incredible. It makes you want to shower in it. Makes you want to put it on as a, little body spray, a little bit of deodorant. That'd be fire. Deodorant, body spray. Does anyone wear body spray anymore? It's just me? You can just smell this all day. That's excellent.